Morning children. So divisions are completed now. So now the topic related to the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So the four different mathematical comprehensions when it will be given them together. So how to do this? How to solve the problem? That today we are going to be discussed. Okay, children. So everyone open your maths classwork book. In that first we'll write the definition. And then we'll write one example. Then textbook page number 68, section 3, one sum we'll do it and remaining sums you have to do in the homework. And section 4 also, one sum we'll do in the classwork and remaining you have to do in the textbook. Okay? Now, open your classwork children. Everyone write down heading simplification. Using Vivo-Dimas. Simplifications using Vivo-Dimas. Okay, so now write the definition. When we simplify a mathematical expressions involving different operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, we need to follow some rules to avoid confusion full stop. This rule is known as Vivo-Dimas. Vivo-Dimas. Okay, next continue. Vivo-Dimas stands for B. O. One by one letters you have to write. D. M. A. S. Okay. B for brackets. It means this brackets. O. O for of, which means multiplication. D. D for division. M. M for multiplication. A for addition. S for subtraction. Okay. BODMAS means B for brackets. What is the full form of this means? If any number which will be given all together, addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions all together, and if that number has given the bracket in any number, so in brackets what the number is given, that we have to do first. Otherwise, you can do this in a method. If you can follow this method, what is that means? In the given sum, where the division application is there, that have to do first. Division first. After that, multiplication second. Then addition. Last is subtraction. Okay, children. So while doing the sums, you can able to and you can understand. Okay. After that, continue. Example. Example A. 13 plus 4 minus 2 plus 6 divided by 3. Okay, so this is the sum. And what is there any brackets here, children? Not there. So what we have to do? So according to our rule, DMAS. DMAS. Remember DMAS. D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. Now division of first. What is the division here? 6 divided by 3. So solution. 13 plus 4 minus 2 plus 6 divided by 3. So D, it means division. 13 plus 4 minus 2 plus, and do this 2 division. If you do the division, we will get it 2 as the answer. In 3 table, 6 divided by 2 only, no? So 2. Next, is there any multiplication children here? No. Next, addition. So addition, which numbers have to do? 13 plus 4 and plus 2. Write down. 13 plus 4 plus 2 minus, is there no? Minus 2 last have to write. Now do these 3 numbers addition. 13 plus 4 is 17. 17 plus 2 is 19. Last minus 2. And 19 minus 2, 17 is the answer. Okay, like that there is a sequence to solve the problems. Okay, so after this, take the next page everyone, and now open your textbook also. In textbook page number 68. In textbook page number 68, simplify the following is the children. Okay, simplify the following. In that, I am going to explain you D and F. D and F. You also write in the class of children, simplify and write DMAS. BODMAS. Okay. So A, B, C, you can do just according to a previous example. Next, D, their decimal is there. That I am going to explain now. D. 15 plus sorry, 4 plus 6.1 into 2 minus 5. First, what you have to do, children? Is there any bracket that you have to check? Not there bracket. Next, division. Is there division in this sum, given sum? Not there. So next, multiplication. Is there multiplication? Yes. 6.1 and 2. So 4 plus 2 ones are, multiply these two, children. 2 ones are 2 and 2 6 are 12. And point is a no, good point. Okay, next, minus 5. After that, what you have to do? Addition. So these two have to add. Here I am adding, children. 4 and 12.2. 0.0. 2, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 and 1. It means 16.2. 16.2 minus 5. So minus 5, here I am doing, you will be get 11.2. So write 11.2. Like this, step by step you have to do. Okay, so after doing that, write this neat picture in the classwork. Next, F. (120 minus 70 divided by 5 into 2 minus 113. So, according to, copy the same sum again. 120 minus 70 divided by, bracket is there, 5 into 2 minus 113. So, according to rule, first, the number which is in the bracket that you have to do first. So, is equal to 120, same number. 70 divided by 5 2s are 10 minus 113. I did the multiplication, the sum which is given in the bracket. Okay, so now DO completed. Now, next what is there? D. D means division. Is there division, children, here? Yes, is there division. 120 minus 70 divided by 10 is equal to 7 minus 113. Multiplication, not the addition, not the subtraction. All the numbers are in the minus symbol. Isn't it? So here 120 is there, minus 7 minus 30 is there. Okay, minus 7 minus 13. These two have to do the addition. Because according to the rule of minus into minus, it will becomes as plus. So 120 minus 7 and minus 113, you will be getting minus 120. Minus 120. So 120 minus 120, 0 is the answer. Okay, so remaining sums, how to do it as a homework. Next. So 10, how we get the 10 here, children? Multiplying 5 and 2. Multiplying 5 and 2, we got this 10. Okay, and next, how we get here 7? By dividing 70 and 10. We get here 7. And after doing the division and minus into minus plus. So I did all the 2 minus into addition mode. Then we got 120. So A, B, C and E. A, B, C and E. The fourth section is not there. A, B, C and E. These all sums, how to do it as a homework.